Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. In 1898, a Boston politician needed votes, so instead of kissing babies, he served cocktails. The result? The Ward 8, the only drink in history born from mild political corruption and a strong citrus game. We're gonna make it, and let's do it before someone gerrymanders your bar cart. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. Old Overholt Rye, old enough to run for office, spicy enough to be banned from one. Fresh lemon juice. Sour, sharp, and judgmental, like your aunt at Thanksgiving. Fresh orange juice adds sunshine and scurvy protection. Simple syrup, sweet, unlike that one friend who forgets to Venmo. And pomegranate molasses, sticky, mysterious. It sounds expensive even when it's not. So some quick history on today's cocktail and why the name. The year was 1898. Boston's Ward 8 was wild. Political boss Martin Lomansney wanted to win an election, so someone made this cocktail in his honor. They served it at Loch Ober, which is Boston's version of a country club with less plaid and more corruption. Thus, the Ward 8 was born, because nothing says, I believe in democracy, like combining rye whiskey and fruit juice. Let's get into today's build. We're going to start with 2 ounces of Old Overholt Rye. Now, this rye's been around since before electricity. It saw Prohibition coming and said, hey, hold my glass. Next up, we're gonna add a ½ ounce of lemon juice and a ½ ounce of orange juice. It's citrus teamwork. Together, they taste like an argument between tart and sweet. So a ½ ounce of each. Now we're gonna hit it with a ½ ounce of simple syrup because balance matters, especially after the 3rd drink. Finally, we're gonna hit it with 1 teaspoon of pomegranate molasses. It's the fancy cousin of grenadine who went abroad and came back with a mysterious accent. Add some nugget ice to your glass to chill it. Here I'm using the E-Cozy ice and water dispenser. Now we're gonna add ice to our tin and we're gonna shake it like a voter scandal in Boston's Ward 8. Now we're gonna double strain this into a chilled coupe glass because you're not a criminal, even if this drink was probably invented in one's honor. There you have it, the Ward 8. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. So that's like a whiskey sour met a screwdriver at a protest and decided to overthrow brunch. It's citrusy, rich, balanced, and just complex enough to make you feel sophisticated without Googling anything. So there you have it, the Ward 8. Proof that a little whiskey, a little citrus, and a dash of shady political history can still taste like victory. Make one at home, raise a glass to democracy, or at least the illusion of it. And remember, if your vote doesn't count, your cocktail still can. Smash that like button like it's a gavel at a rigged city council meeting. Subscribe for more cocktails and questionable morals, but excellent flavor. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.